This is a 1996 Tiara 3600 Open. She has a full tower and is powered by Silver Anniversary Caterpillar 3208s at 375 horsepower. They have had rebuilds and show just under 150 hours since. She has been sitting unused for a couple of years. Her owner has passed away and she's represented by the estate. She has a large cockpit, Veruno nav net, Simrad GPS chart plotter radar. She has a single stateroom with a walk-around island berth and a head with a enclosed separate shower. She needs upholstery and external vinyl and canvas. She has one outrigger needs repair and some other stuff. The Westerbeek genset and reverse cycle heat and air is unoperable at this time. She has a caretaker stop by once a week and run the motors for an hour. With some updating, she's going to make someone a heck of a boat. She is priced about half of her current value to facilitate a quick sale. Her salon has a U-shaped settee across from the galley. This is a great layout for a weekend condo or like tournament fishing. She's currently in North Carolina. Call Berry-Boger Yacht Sales, Central Agent John Gore at 843-249-6167.